So again, we're writing the equation that is parallel to the given equation. We have to pass through -4, -7. All right, so here we go. So, Dusty, can you grab the door, please? We're going to dump out. All right, Jake, what is the equation that I have to be parallel to?
Half x plus 9.
Okay. So again, let's list out our original slope. What is my original slope?
Half.
And what does that make my parallel slope?
Half.
Okay, Maria, how would I set up the next step of my problem? Let's start reading, right? Okay, so now Lucas, how would I solve for B? What do I need to do now?
Plug the number.
All right, and how would I set that up?
-7 plus 1/2 times -7.
-7 equals -2 plus B. All right. So Sean, we're right here at this step. So if -7 equals -2 plus B, what does B equal?
What?
All right. We have -7 equals -2 plus B. So what does B equal?
I wasn't really listening.
I know. Okay. Hey, quiet. So Sean, I want you to look at just this equation right here. That one right there.
You just like add 7 to
Well, remember we're solving for B, so what do we have to get rid of?
2.
We're going to get rid of that -2. How do I get rid of it?
Add 7.
So I add to the -7. What's -7 plus 2?
5.
So we get the equation y equals 1/2 x. I'm going to give you guys 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Yes, I do. I think you're a genius. I really do.
I love that.
No, that's sarcasm.
Hi, Sarah.
Okay. So you guys have 60 seconds, possibly 90 seconds, to finish number 4. All right, we've got 3 models there for you. Get started. What did you guys come up with? Y equals what? What's my slope? Down?
-2/3
-2/3 x. Okay, and Tori, what did you get for your y-intercept? So that's what we should be at. Some of you guys left it as -7 1/3. Want to make sure we leave them in improper form. Okay, so -22/3. Now, another thing I kept seeing coming up was the 14/3. -14/3. This is where you guys were making a big mistake, and I'm kind of jump ahead a little bit. You should have got yourself to this point fairly easily. So -6 equals 4/3 plus B. What do I do now to solve for B? Matt, what should I do? Okay, and how do I do that? So I've got -6 minus 4/3 equals B. Okay, but now what do I have to get?
should add -6 and -4/3
Well, the only way to do that though is I got to treat it as -6/1. Now we have to get a common denominator. And so that common denominator is going to be 3, which gives me -18/3 minus 4/3. And I think right here, that's where a lot of you guys made that mistake. You're coming up with -14/3 that's where your mistake was coming in, is you guys were adding the 4/3 rather than subtracting the 4. So that should have been negative 22/3. All right, so your homework for tonight, you have a Math Excel assignment, which is equations of parallel lines, and you have a homework challenge that is on My Big Campus. Now, yesterday we had some internet issues. So here's how this is going to work. The homework challenge for yesterday is on My Big Campus, waiting for you to put your values in. Some of you guys maybe have already done that. That's a good thing. I'm going to be posting the homework challenge here in about 3 minutes for tonight.
What did we put on paper?
Just turning your answer in online. And then the homework you guys did last night for Math Excel. Again, since we were having so many issues with the internet, I decided to give you guys an extra day extension on that. You actually have 2 Math Excel assignments that are going to be due tomorrow. So the one from last night, which most of you guys already had done, and then the one for tonight, which is equations of parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay, so those are the 4 things that you have to do for tomorrow. Again, 2 of those you guys have already got a pretty good head start on. So you have 4 things to do tomorrow. Okay. Writing equations of parallel lines or equations of parallel lines. Okay. All right. Are we good to go? Okay.